All right, so for this option here, we have a create a scrapbook. And what you're going to be doing is compiling a scrapbook with pictures and journaling, and it's going to be really fun. So they're really cool because it's kind of like a photo album, but also a journal. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating the scrapbook from either Natasha or Daniel's point of view. And you're going to take on the perspective of that character. So we got a few links here to get you started. You're going to want to research what scrapbooks look like to kind of get a good idea of what you want your scrapbook to be about. So we've got some links here that are helpful for that. You're going to choose to document this character's life before or after the novel takes place, which means you are allowed to create, change, and make up details about their life. So you can kind of take, references about what we heard about Natasha's life before, Daniel's life before, and kind of compile that together to create the before or to create the after. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to name and design and create themes for these pages and create a life for this character outside of the novel. So you will be creating seven separate events or activities in this character's life that had an impact or an effect, or that you are creating that had an effect. So we want you to incorporate this outside source by quoting it or providing the whole piece while connecting it to your character and their destiny. So you can do this with a little blurb. Each event will have at least 2 pictures and a blurb about what the event and activity is and what is happening in those pictures. Because this is happening before or after the novel takes place, we kind of are going to need to know what's happening in these events that you're creating. And the pictures can be made by you, taken by you, or found by you. So you can be totally creative in how you're doing this. You can take the photos if you're really into photography, you can set up a whole scene, or you could draw the images yourself. These scrapbook pages should develop the character, and it should develop the characterization of that character and enhance our understanding of him and her through your images and through your journaling. So you're going to include conflict with your scrapbook and focus on how it affects the character. Include the point of view within your scrapbook and focus on how it contributes to our understanding of each character. So you can get as creative as you want with this. It's going to be really fun for us to get a chance to see what you've created, and I'm really excited. So in addition to this project, you will be writing a short essay that answers our essential question. This is found within each project. So with this, you're going to explore to what extent do we create or control our own destiny. And as you know, we've been talking about destiny and how it fits into this novel and how it fits into our lives and our connection with destiny. So some of the questions to get you thinking and to answer in your short essay are, how do you view destiny? Have your own opinions about destiny changed since reading and finishing the novel? Use the novel to analyze and discuss your views. So please quote the novel in your short essay. Compare and or contrast your views with others in the novel. So maybe you have a romantic view like Daniel does, and you think that everything is meant to be and that destiny is something that is all around us and that is happening all the time. Or maybe you take on Natasha's view and you're thinking that, she doesn't believe in destiny. So have your views changed, like our characters' views changed? We know Natasha in the beginning of the novel does not believe in love, does not believe in that, and then by the end of the novel, her views completely flipped. So compare and contrast your views with whether in the beginning or at the end of the novel. You're also going to need to provide and cite 5 pieces of textual evidence to support your claim. So this isn't the typical 3 to 5. We are looking for 5 pieces. So, and then within this, discuss how your scrapbook contributes to this concept of destiny. What does this project tell us or show us about destiny? Does it reflect your views and or does it reflect a character's views? So who are you reflecting more in this scrapbook and relate it back to destiny? So your response has to be a minimum of 500 words with 5 pieces of evidence. So this is the scrapbook option and including the essay that everyone must do. So thank you for listening, and I'm so excited and we both cannot wait to see what you do with it.